tornado watch.
Thunderstorm wind damage.
This ain't good. Holy crap, this ain't good. I just missed a tornado watch. God, this ain't good. Holy crap, this ain't good.
Potential for isolated tornadoes is from near and west of
Better
the
keep this
Middlesboro
one.
to Mount Vernon line.
Sorry, dogs. Of course, these two. Not good. Now, this is where it started. Tornado watch. Severe thunderstorm warning. Tornado warning. I put some of them on display because due to the fact that some of my mom and dad are getting ready for bed, so I had to put some of them on display anyway. I'll try to keep you on updated. It's not good.